question, we have to use the substitution of u is equal to 1 plus tan x to find the value of this particular integration. So let's first redecorate this 0 to pi over 3, 1 over. Let's take cos square x as a common factor. So we would be left with 1 plus sine x cos x over cos square x, and then we have dx over here. So this will become 0 to pi over 3. 1 over cos square x is nothing but sec square x. So we write sec square x over here. And here we have 1 plus. Now, one of the cos x will be cancelled, and sin x over cos x is tan x. So we are left with tan x over here, and then dx remains as it is. Now, the substitution will come into picture, which is u is equal to 1 plus tan x, which means that du is sec square x dx. So if we write the initial, if we modify the limits as well, if x is 0, then the value of u will be 1 plus tan 0 is 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1. And if x is pi over 3, then we know that tan of pi over 3 is root 3, so the value of u will be, the upper limit of u is 1 plus root 3. So all we have to do is integrate this up. So this will be 1 to root 3 plus 1. Sec square x dx is nothing but du. So this is replaced by du, and this is nothing but u. 1 plus tan x is u. So du over 1 over u integration is natural log of u with the limits of 1 to root 3 plus 1. So if you place the upper limit, that's natural log of root 3 plus 1, minus the lower limit is natural log of 1. And we know that the natural log of 1 is 0. So the value of, so this uh, comes out as natural log of root 3 plus 1. Thank you.